A rare visitor from another star system has just reappeared from behind the Sun, and tonight, Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas is racing out of the solar system after a close solar swing, revealing brand new details about its mysterious origin. In this video, we'll explore how scientists uncovered its true nature and why this moment is so important. 1. The return of an interstellar visitor. What immediately sets 3I Atlas apart is how quickly it transformed from a faint blip in survey data into one of the most anticipated astronomical events of the year. It was first detected on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas Sky Survey System in Chile, which scans for fast-moving and unusual objects. Within hours, astronomers noticed its orbit didn't bend like a typical comet. Instead, its path was hyperbolic, meaning it was traveling too fast to be bound to the Sun. That alone hinted at something extraordinary. It wasn't born in our solar system. After further calculations, astronomers officially confirmed it as only the third interstellar object in history, joining ʻOumuamua and 2I Borisov. As it moved inward, astronomers watched closely for signs of activity. The big moment came on October 30th, when 3I Atlas reached perihelion, its closest point to the Sun. It slipped behind the Sun's intense glare, becoming impossible to observe for days. That period created suspense, because close solar passes can dramatically change a comet's appearance depending on its composition. When it finally re-emerged in early November, telescopes immediately locked onto it. On November 11th, Gianluca Massi of the Virtual Telescope Project captured a striking image showing a bright, condensed coma and a long ion tail stretched out by the solar wind. That image confirmed the comet had survived its solar encounter and was now heading outward, gradually rising before dawn in the constellation Virgo. At around magnitude plus 10.9, the 3I Atlas is far too faint to be seen with the naked eye, but it's visible in small telescopes under dark skies. Because it's now moving rapidly away from the Sun, astronomers know they have only a short period to gather data before this interstellar traveler fades forever into deep space. 2. Racing out of the solar system. With 3I Atlas now safely past its close solar swing, the scientific focus turns to what its behavior reveals as it accelerates outward. The comet's orbit is clearly hyperbolic, and that tells astronomers this visit is a one-time opportunity. It's traveling on an escape trajectory, meaning it will not loop back like typical comets. Once it leaves, it's gone permanently. As it departs, astronomers are using telescopes across the world to examine how its coma, ion tail, and overall brightness evolve. The coma, the glowing cloud of gas and dust surrounding its nucleus, is particularly valuable. Its shape and density offer clues about the comet's internal structure and which volatile materials are being released as it cools. The ion tail, formed by charged particles pushed by the solar wind, also acts like a natural indicator of how the Sun's energy interacts with material from another star system. Each shift in its length or direction is a real-time response to solar activity. In mid to late November, the comet slowly climbs higher in the pre-dawn eastern sky, traveling through Virgo. Even though its magnitude sits at plus 10.9, which makes it too faint to see without equipment, telescopes can capture its fading glow. Every observation is important because its brightness is steadily decreasing as it moves farther away. What makes this phase scientifically exciting is how different interstellar comets can be from local ones. 3I Atlas gives researchers a chance to compare materials from another planetary system with the comets we're familiar with. 3. Why important subject? The Virtual Telescope Project, based in Italy, was hosted a live broadcast on November 18th, offered a clear telescopic view of 3I Atlas as it continues its outward journey. Originally scheduled for November 16th, the event was postponed due to weather, which makes tonight's clear sky window even more valuable. The live stream uses advanced robotic telescopes capable of tracking faint objects with exceptional precision. Since 3I Atlas is far too dim for the unaided eye, the broadcast will provide a view that most people could never access on their own. For astronomers, these real-time images help confirm ongoing measurements of the comet's motion, tail orientation, and interactions with solar radiation. Because 3I Atlas is on a true escape path, it's moving quickly, and each night it becomes harder to observe. The livestream captures it during its final period of good visibility before it fades into deep space. This event is a front-row seat to a cosmic visitor that formed around another star, traveled through interstellar space for millions of years, and is now briefly passing through our cosmic neighborhood. 3I Atlas has dared the sun, outraced the planets, and now depart carrying secrets of its distant origin. We've seen how it was discovered and what makes its motion and makeup extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.